Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to stitch this jacket step by step. This tutorial is beginner friendly and I'll explain everything in a simple and clear way. Let's start. I have already cut all the jacket pieces using the pattern. Make sure you cut both the main fabric and lining properly. First we will stitch all the darts. Stitch the darts neatly on the main fabric and the lining and press them well. Now we will stitch the front princess panels of the jacket. Match the curves carefully and stitch slowly for a smooth and clean shape. Here I have added embroidery on the front lining piece. This step is optional but it gives a very nice and premium finish inside. Next, join the side seams of the lining and stitch the back darts. Press everything properly so the lining sits flat. Now stitch the side seams of the main fabric in the same way. Make sure both sides are aligned evenly. Place the lining and the main fabric right sides together. Stitch them together at the bottom and along the front middle. At the neckline, carefully fold the fabric. Make sure the wrong sides are facing out while stitching near the placket area. After stitching, turn the jacket inside out. Next, stitch the shoulder seams. Stitch lining to lining and main fabric to main fabric separately. Do not stitch the main shoulder seams together at this stage. For the collar, we need two collar pieces cut from the fabric. Fuse one collar piece with canvas, slightly tilted as per the pattern. Now place the second collar piece on top, keeping the right sides facing each other. Stitch along the top and side edges of the collar. After stitching, make small notches around the curves. Turn the collar right side out, press it well and make it flat and sharp. Now attach the collar to the jacket using top stitching. Start from the center back of the jacket, match it with the center of the collar and stitch evenly on both sides. For the curves, we need 4 pieces in total, 2 for the left sleeve and 2 for the right sleeve. From each pair, fuse one curved piece with canvas. Place the second curved piece on top, keeping right sides together. Before stitching, fold one side of the curve inward by half an inch and press it. Now stitch the top and side edges, keeping this folded part inside. After stitching, turn the curve right side out and press it neatly. Now cut the sleeve's slit line. Finish the slit by top stitching a 1-inch strip and make a small inverted V cut at the top of the cutted slit. Then sew the sides of the sleeve, then attach the curve to the sleeve and top stitch for a clean finish. Finally, attach the sleeves to the jacket. And with that, the jacket is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.